Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the banana tea, which is super nutritious and which is very useful for keeping heart health, sleep quality and perfect for weight loss. For this, I've taken one Robusta banana which is nicely washed and cleaned. I'm going to start by discarding both the sides, the top and the bottom of the banana. The first step is to clean the banana well. I'm going to place a utensil on the gas, place some water in it. I will add a spoon of baking soda to this and nicely allow the water to heat up. I will place the banana in this and nicely allow it to boil, and to help this better I close the utensil. Once I open the utensil after 15 minutes, the water is nicely boiled and all the impurities from the banana would have been absorbed in the water. Now I discard this water and take the banana and fill it up with some fresh water. I will now wash the banana with my hands to ensure all the baking soda particles and other remaining impurities are taken off completely. Now I discard this water and take fresh water, add a spoon of cinnamon powder and place the banana in it and close the utensil. Allow it to boil. You'll see that once the water boils completely, water holds the rich nutrients of the banana. Now our nutrient-rich banana tea is ready to be served.